Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, damn. Max, that hurts. Let's do it one more time.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
Again? Come on, how are you doing this?
Years of practice, Costume.
Ugh. Max, I won't play with you anymore. You're somehow cheating or something.
Costume, are you kidding? We're playing rock, paper, scissors. You show one thing, I show another. It's impossible to cheat here.
Yeah, nah, you're somehow cheating. You probably managed to peek at what I'll show in the last split second and show something else to beat me. And you keep on winning. I think you're cheating.
Well, Costume, you figured me out. Let's play one last time. Now, you'll definitely win 100%.
Nah, Max, I won't play with you anymore.
Come on, Costume, one last time. You'll definitely win 100%.
Well, I don't know. Although, well, okay, let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
Ugh!
Costume, today's just not your day.
Nah, you just managed to peek at what I would show again, that's it.
Alright, Costume, if you think that I actually peek at what you're getting every time, let's play a game where it's impossible to peek. Where you just need to spin a wheel and whatever it lands on, that's it.
Well, okay, let's try it. I'll still beat you today regardless.
Well, of course, Costume, you'll win. Maybe just one more time, huh?
Nah, I won't.
Now, as you've already understood, today we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors and try to create a game that can even be won by Kostya. I'll tell you a secret. Kostya lost not because he's unlucky, but for a slightly different reason. So therefore, we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, where you won't have to think at all. Luck will be the only deciding factor. You just need to spin the wheel and randomly a figure will come out. Either rock or scissors or paper. Or vice versa. But before doing the rock, paper, scissors game, I decided to create a rock, paper, scissors game. But it was just a trial version that I didn't film for the video. I did it to figure out potential problems and what details might not work here. Well, now I know everything and I can do it. From the inside, it looks like this. We have a little wheel and another smaller wheel that I control with this lever. In theory, pulling this thing will start the game. Whether it will work or not, we'll see at the end of the video. We'll need 2 cardboard sheets, 30 by 60 centimeters. We're going to use them as bases, but to do this, we need to glue them together. Now, since we'll have 2 players in our game, we need to divide this base into 2 sections. For this, we'll need a square like this one. One side's length is 30 centimeters, and the second side length is 29 and 5. Yes, and as you've understood, it's not exactly a square because its sides differ slightly. This is to ensure that it doesn't protrude anywhere. Now, from this square, we need to cut a small corner. If you're very smart and guess what this cut is for throughout the entire video, be sure to write it in the comments. Now let's see how many people understand what's going on.
Max, let's play again. I'll definitely win this time.
Well, what makes you think you'll win this time?
You know, I'm just very observant. When we played earlier, I noticed something interesting about you. You almost always showed paper, so I come up with a strategy that will definitely help me win against you.
Well, all right, let's give it a try. Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
Darn it, how did you not show scissors? Now I have a second Bruce, so stop bothering me with your stupid game again.
But I wasn't even bothering you. Using a compass, we draw 4 circles. These circles are necessary to create the wheels. Now, we need some flexible cardboard. Getting it is very easy. Just take regular cardboard and remove a single layer. Voila! Flexible cardboard. Next, using hot glue, we attach the flexible cardboard to the circles. As a result, we get a cylinder. We glue a corrugated strip of cardboard to its edge. This is for better grip with the lever because we'll also glue corrugated cardboard to the lever. It'll create something similar to a mechanism. They'll move like this, you know. Now, to secure our wheel at this level, we will need another wall right here. We make a small hole in this piece of cardboard and insert a nail into it, which we fix with a glue gun. I can't believe it, I just said that. We do the same with the central piece of cardboard. And now we can insert this little wheel. It will spin on its axis when we launch it with the lever. And speaking of the lever, let's start making it.
Well, no worries. I'll show you how to play. I'll show you how fish hibernate. He who laughs last. Whoever finds it funny, probably. One's no soldier in the field. Exactly. One's no soldier in the field. Hello? Vorgan? Listen, can you come over here? We need to sort something out here.
Hey, stop it! Why are you even calling me? Don't call here! I'll break your heads, I'll break your legs, I'll break the phone, I'll break your everything, I'll break the computer and break your network!
To make them, we'll need sticks from ice cream. We glue them together and get these here levers. Immediately with holes in the right places.
I'll break your microwave, I'll break your table, I'll also break your chairs.
Also, we'll need these 6 cardboard strips, which we'll glue opposite the cardboard holding the wheel. Let's go back to the lever. As I mentioned earlier, from the inside, it won't look like a regular stick. A kind of gear will be attached to it, which in turn will also be supported by another ice cream stick. All this is needed for stability, so that when I pull the lever, it doesn't lean left or right, but holds firmly in that position. This way, we achieve perfect engagement. So you guys, the mechanism works completely. We lower the lever, and it starts the wheel. So essentially, all that's left is to close it all with a lid. Well, before we close it with a lid,
we gotta paint the insides.
Now the most important thing, we need to glue the rock, paper, and scissors. Everything works, everything is great, and it seems like that would be it. But to hide all of these ugly mechanisms, we need to cover it all with a lid. And the very last detail, we just need to paint it, and that's all. Well, now the game is ready, and so we can start testing it.
Everything you have, I come to you, I break it. You understand me? Don't ever call here again.
What was that all about?
Oh, that was just my friend calling. Pay no attention. Let's play again better.
Well, I've just finished the game, and I think you should be able to win it. Because here, you don't need intuition, no need to think here. I mean, like, in short, Kostya, you just let it happen. So just sit here, Kostya, and I'll be over here.
Well,
I just prefer sitting on the right.
anyway, you don't stand a chance. I was prepared, City. But, what are we supposed to do here?
Well, don't worry, Kostya, this game is very easy. There's just one lever here.
Max, well, there seem to be 2 levers here.
Well, you know, I mean, each player has one lever. You lower it, and then you either get a rock, paper, or scissors. You see, Kostya, I got scissors. If we were playing now, you would have won. Well, but now we're not playing.
All right, then. Well, let's at least play now.
On the count of 3, we'll start. 1, 2, 3. Ah! You see, Kostya? It's not so bad. This time, you didn't lose.
Really?
But you didn't win either because you have rock and so do I. It means a tie.
Ah, well, darn.
Well, it's okay, Kostya. Don't worry. You'll have a chance to win a few times today. We'll start on the count of 3. 1, 3. Well, now, Kostya, you lost.
I hate rock, paper, scissors. You managed to cheat even here. You always win somehow.
Well, Kostya, that's called luck. If you're rock, well, then it lands on rock for you.
So what? By logic, are you paper then?
No, Kostya. According to my logic, you are rock. Okay, let's play one last time for today.
All right then, let's play one last time.
Well, Kostya, you were close, but nevertheless... Actually, Kostya, that's it. And I wish you all good luck. Thank you all for watching. Everyone needs to hit the like button, and that's all.
Well, I'll try once again. Darn, it was rigged the whole time. And here? Darn. Rocks again? What's going on? I don't get it. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3. Seriously, rock.